In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create watermark in Google Slides presentation. We'll walk through a simple method that places a watermark across your slides so it stays consistent and professional. First, open Google Slides in your browser. Once you're on the home page, open a sample presentation you'd like to use for practice or the file you want to watermark. With the presentation open, go to the Insert menu and choose Text Box. Click Text Box again if prompted, then drag to draw a box anywhere on the slide. Type the text you want to use as your watermark. Common examples are draft, sample, or confidential. Avoid including any sensitive details. Keep it generic and safe. Now edit the look so it behaves like a watermark. Make the text large enough to be visible without distracting from your content. Adjust the font, weight, and size until it feels balanced. Choose a very light text color, like a soft gray, so it doesn't overpower your slide content. Use the highlight tool to fine-tune the visibility. Click the highlight option to apply a subtle background tint or set it to transparent, then click it again to refine the shade so the text is readable but not dominant. When the watermark text looks right, right-click the text box and copy it. We're going to place this in the theme so it appears on all slides automatically. Open the slide menu at the top. Open the slide menu again if needed, then select Edit Theme. This takes you to the theme editor, where you can control elements that repeat across your presentation. At the top of the left panel, look for the main theme or master layout, the topmost thumbnail that represents the overall slide style. Click it to target all layouts at once. With that selected, paste the copied text box. Position it where you want the watermark to sit, centered, in a corner, or diagonally across the slide. If you like, slightly rotate the text so it reads like a traditional watermark. You can also resize it here to match your slide proportions. Keep that subtle color and light highlight so your content stays readable. That's it. By creating the text once and pasting it into the theme, your watermark now appears across your presentation without having to repeat the work on each slide. If you need different versions for specific layouts, you can paste and adjust on those individual layout thumbnails.